The AGP C16 concrete saw, an excellent tool for wet and dry indoor and outdoor cutting. It has a 3200 watt motor with a 405 millimeter blade for a maximum cutting depth of 150 millimeters. The motor has advanced motor electronics with overload and thermal protection. It has an LED indicator that indicates when the machine is close to overloading. The C16 has an integrated water feed system, vacuum port for dust and slurry collection, and a detachable splash guard for slurry management. The blade guard can be easily adjusted for cutting depth, and the tool-free detachable guide rollers can be installed for perpendicular cuts and to reduce operator fatigue. The blade guard is made of magnesium alloy to provide maximum strength and minimum weight. The C16 can be used for flush cutting. The detachable blade guard makes it easy to switch between flush and standard cutting. We offer an optional dust skid for dry cutting and other accessories such as dust extractors.